sharkies. Today we are at a waterfall. And if you see me moving like this, I'm standing on a really wriggly rock.
I was just chicken to get in.
She was. I was full on in.
Oh my god. No. Feel the mist from here.
We can feel the mist. Isn't it pretty? That's cool. You found a snail, guys. Oh. Sally, when you get down, I recommend to hold this so you can that down.
It feels illegal to be over here.
Then get down. Sorry.
Oh my god.
If you, I have to hold my phone so tightly right now, guys. And women, children of all ages, whatever. Okay. Okay, I'm in the water now. Like in it. Are you good? Don't fall, you got your phone on you. We both have our phones on us. So we have to be so careful not to drop them. Do you think I'm excellent at this? I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go touch the waterfall. I don't know. I also feel if my volume is a little bit louder. Okay. You're gonna touch part of the waterfall.
Raper. It's been hot, so I swear.
This place is so pretty.
Yeah. Like, I want to climb it.
Look at this. It's so pretty.
You want to climb? Can I climb?
I wouldn't because you could slip and fall in.
Okay.
And your phone might.
Oh, my phone.
Yeah, your phone may.
What the heck? Just touched my neck.
I am gripping onto my phone so hard right now. My hands are turning red.
Mine's fine. It's right in here. I'm telling you.
Yeah, she only shows her boyfriend that. No comment. She didn't say anything. It looks like soap bubbles from the dishes I washed yesterday. I washed dishes yesterday. I want to go down there.
Yes.
We're going to go farther away from the waterfall and continue upstream. Ooh. I won't. I'm gripping it as tight as my life. I gotta be careful with my headphones though. They have a tendency to fall off. Oh my god, this thing is going so fast. It kind of does feel nice though.
It feels nice.
Yes, I'm wearing my Crocs in this.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to try to hold your hand. I thought it was your fault.
We're not gonna fall though.
Yeah?
Why do you wear one?
Oh.
You really gotta start wearing one. And you should be careful with your phone.
I know what I should be doing.
Yeah, you gotta go home and get one.
No! I got it. She does not need my phone. Jesus. I don't trust her with my phone. And it's recording. I'm recording this because memories and stuff. If you guys heard what happened to my TikTok account, probably did. It's up. You should see. I was banned for being under 13 and I'm 17.
I'm 16. I'm president.
No, they said I don't look like I meet the requirements.
What?
They think I look under 13! Damn! in the water now. I'm back in the water. What they're called as a water bug. I love being in the water. It's so much fun for me. Lilac. Got it. Oh my God. Crazy. I'm going back to the waterfall.
Me too.
We love the waterfall. It's the best part. No, I got it. I'm not gonna fall.
Oh, yeah, you might fall. Listen, let me hold her.
No.
Lily,
No.
Lily,
No.
Lily,
No. I refuse to set my phone down. Yeah. If I went in here once with my phone, guess what? I can do it again. I love making her mad. She's my worker. She can't actually hit me. So she can't do anything but talk. She's probably texting my mom too. Lily refused to put her phone down today. My phone. Fish! They're so tiny. If I did it once, then I can do it again. Why is she so worried about my phone? If I did it once, I can do it again.
I'll tell you some fish.
Oh, those are not fish?
Those are freaking bugs.
Oh, I thought they were fish.
Maybe bugs.
I so thought they were fish. I'm stupid. I'm an idiot.
I'm stupid.
If I did it once, I can do it again. The fuck?
I want to poke it with my...
She can't actually touch me.
Yeah, she can't get him.
So I love making her mad. I love it. It's the best thing in the world. Making something that makes you mad by just seeing them.
She looked at me like I was jumping over.
No.
No, that's all.
What did she say for you to do? Snatch my phone and hand it to her? Go for it? What? Did you drop it? You look like Rafiki! You look like Rafiki from Lion King! Look at her and say she does. Look at her and tell me she doesn't look like Rafiki with her giant ass stick. Hey! That baboon was famous. So, yeah, it was a bamboo.
I don't know what animal. I'm sorry if I'm wrong.
I'm pretty sure it was a bamboo. We're going up on the rocks again because
Oh my God,
he's killing me today. Woo, the mist! Do I look cool
I can't reach it.
with my necklace? I'm helping her out.
Oh, this is now. Oh my God, this is now.
She really expects me to hand over my phone?
Lily, you went over there. Did you step on a snail?
I was over there. She really expects me to hand over my phone just like that. Bitch, you ain't having my phone. And if she was so worried about me falling, then why are we here? She's stupid sometimes, I swear.
but slush. I hate slush, but I want to take snail. Two snails. I don't want to.
Be careful, there's one up there too. No, I don't know if you saw it, there was snails. She's so worried about me falling, but she is not worried about her pissing her pants. You're breaking your stick! She's tired of being Rafiki. What, did I? Huh? Did I? I'm sorry. Sorry, I was getting down from the rock. I'm not gonna fall. I am prone to falling, but in water, it's like I don't fall. It's like I have a superpower. Because in the water, I don't slip or nothing. But outside the water, I'm clumsy as fuck. Outside of water, I'm clumsy as fuck, but inside water, I don't fall. I'm more careful than anything else. I'll just make sure my head gets me stop.
Look at all these snails, Lily.
Holy crap!
Yes, hey.
There's so many snails. My phone has mist on it. Don't worry about my headphones either, guys. These are water resistant.
My watch is waterproof.
And her watch is waterproof. My headphone is water resistant, so we are good.
Waterproof.
Yeah, she just don't care stuff in the water. Throw your stick and watch it go down there.
I love my stick. I want to be like that one baboon from I'm sorry if it's wrong.
Oh, Rafiki?
Yeah.
She's trying to be the baboon from Lion King.
I'm sorry.
I don't know why she looked at you like you were gonna help her. What did she expect you to do? And my phone is fine.
I'm gonna get sick today. I like walking through the water.
Oh, it's gonna take a little bit for our crocs to dry.
Alright, who wants to see the stick up my body?
Me, I do.
See how far it goes.
I'm coming over.
You ready to cut that here? I'm gonna make sure it's
Just throw it.
Are you ready? I can feel it.
Right, I went. There it goes! Oh. I know. I'm good. Jesus. I have another one at home.
Yeah, but you don't take phone in a waterfall. I should have grabbed it before you went in.
Yeah.
Because you already saw her fall. It's very easy to fall. I think there's a higher waterfall up there, but I don't want to get there today. I don't know how far it is. And I want to come back when I have kids, so I don't get into place diving. But you guys are good today, so. Are we coming up? Not today. Later. Have you been there, Lily?
Where?
To Mooney Gulf?
Probably.
It's really nice.